Hi, welcome back to FBTV Entertainment. I'm Dave Pippin, and this is Friday, and on my channel FBTV Entertainment will be uploads every Friday, so don't miss out. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel for more future releases, and press that like button, and also write a comment down below to help me to make greater content and better videos to enjoy. So today's video on Friday is 1948 Continental, Lincoln Continental. It's from Lindberg. It's quite old model kit, and it's not so bad. So here it is, and that is quite impressive little kit. I never came across this kit before, but my point of view is of this car is absolutely confusing. How the body comes together. All this body construction, like for wheel arches. You can see the little join there. You can see a little join there, and the other side, and the hood, and even the back is, you can see for joins. For wheel arches is separate pieces, and the front wheel arches is separate pieces, and even the door panels are separate fitted, separate pieces, and it's just like a big massive explosion in a box. Some model kits come into full bodywork, and the chassis bottom bit, and for wheels and chrome and that. But I always wanted to build this car, and it's quite cheap. It cost me about £35 on eBay, and it's a convertible car as well. And I do love convertible model cars, because one day you can keep it like this with a convertible roof on top, or you can take it off for about 2 days and put it in your glass cabinet or your glass box or whatever your storage is. And there's the interior. Nothing much detail in the interior on this model car, because it's quite vintage model kit. You can see the dashboard is silver. I've done a green steering wheel for a change, and also the seats are oak and green, and the side door panels interior is grey, just like this bit. So it's quite nice model kit. It took me about a day to build, and a day to paint it. So roughly it's 2 days, and all this is separate fitted. It's a silver chrome window. Smoking window is separate. The glass is separate. The grille, and this one is separate fitted, and the lights are separate. The lights is not very good, but I do believe they're okay for me. And for wheels, you paint for white wall tyres. You paint that with white gloss, and slide it in. Wheels are quite thin, and wheels are quite thin. But yeah, it's quite good model kit, and I recommend it to anyone who are interested in this kit as well. But so yeah, the paint job is oak and black, because I done a mistake on this bit of the oak. Something went wrong. I wasn't very happy, but I do believe it looks good anyway. But it's quite nice content to build, really. I love the back of that spare wheel. absolutely amazing. If I can find another one on eBay, I'll be doing it a different colour, like blue or black or even red. So I hope you enjoyed this video of this 1948 Lincoln Continental, and more uploads every Friday. And if you haven't seen the previous video explains about last Friday, it's this one right down below on your screen right now. Check that out as well. Until then, it's bye bye from me, Dave Pippin, and bye bye from FBTV Entertainment.